Hi, this is Felicia from His Daughter, and today we're going to be making pumpkin soap. It's the essence of fall, quintessential fall bar, customer favorite, and I hope you'll like it too. So we make our soap and then we pipe it, an icing, a soap icing on top, and it really gives you such a luxurious bath. It's wonderful, and I hope you'll come along and watch the journey of me making it. Now we have our soap mixed, and we're going to be dividing it out for the icing, and then we are going to unscent one. So that's going to be stirred back into the pot. See, that will be stirred back in a little bit more, and then this is going to be our icing. Like that. That'll probably be enough. And that is with titanium dioxide to make it a little whiter than just the creamy soap, so it'll actually look like icing. Because see how dark that pumpkin spice essential oil is, or fragrance. And it does a nice pretty orange pumpkin color. Here you can see a look right there. It does a nice color, but then it will turn a dark brown. So you make sure it's all mixed in. And it has 10% of vanilla in it, so it's going to turn this soap just a deep dark brown. Because vanilla, when exposed to air, turns it a deep. So we're going to take that off so we can get it all cleaned up. Or use a different top, I think. And we're just going to pour this back in. See, just like that. So, and we're going to pour it into our soap. We're just going to do a light swirl. Just pour a little here. See, just so it gets completely swirled. And then now we're mixing our icing. Nice and white. This is regular soap, and we're going to let it sit a bit until it thickens up. Now, see, our soap is a little thicker, and we are ready to pipe it. So we get our piping bag just like you would with regular icing. But this you definitely cannot eat. Get all the way down and just our icing is firm. We're going to get it, and we're just going to spray the tops with alcohol just so that the icing and the soap adheres pretty, adheres, it doesn't fall off. So now we are just going to ice it on. Get my little, there we go. And this is all soap. It looks like whipped topping, but of course it's not. Thank you for watching, and please look on our website, hisdaughtershop.com. We'll have those pumpkin soaps up within the next 2 or 3 weeks. And for watching the video, look for the code down in the comments, and you can get 10% off your order if you order online. Or if you're ever in the Middlefield area or in Northeast Ohio, come out to His Daughter, and we'd love to see you.